Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 17th of June 2025. The market is still open, but uh, I'm uploading this early because I just have other commitments. So starting on for the 17th, which is Tuesday, and let's go to Forex Factory for Tuesday and see what is the news saying. So we have 1:30 p.m. core retail sales and retail sales MM. These are the news we are interested in. We normally trade in gold, so that's why we are. If you trade in gold or other USD pairs, you must know the USD news or the news related to other pairs. So also, if you trade in GBP, JPY, which we normally most gold traders do, you can all look for the JPY news as well for tomorrow. Now jump onto the chart, see what's happening in the market. Monthly, which is in the middle of month, and the market is moving to the upside. Nothing much information for now. And however, if you want to analyze in like back, there's always information in back history. Like you can see that how this monthly consolidation was broken, and the market is um, still running in the bullish mood. So that's according to Dow theory as well. If you want to want me to make a video about Dow theory, please do comment about, and I'll make a video how the Dow theory concept work in trading. Now going on to weekly, uh, let's see what's happening in the weekly. So previously we had this weekly very strong candle broke this level, and now it's possible that this area has been tested in weekly, which is around this level. That's 30 around 3350 level. So it's very high. It's possible. And if we go into daily, and daily you can see this W pattern, and it's possible the market test this level. So around say to combine these two levels, it's say around 3350 because we always trade with confirmation. So whether market come up to here or here, we always look for the confirmation, then take a buy trade here. Why buy? Because look, the market is moving in a bullish trend. For who you do not know about the how to take trades, this is very basic, uh, because you always take trades in trend for high probability. Although we can take a sell trade as well, but that need to be confirmed as well. Even that's counter trade trends. I mean against the direction of the trend. But now we already also we have this area, as previously mentioned, this area has been broken, and now looks like the market will move to the upside from here. However, there's no guarantee. We always look for the probabilities. This is a very good area, as I mentioned. Now look into the smaller time frame, and that's a 4 hour. As I said, we'll analysis on Friday, weekend analysis. I did say that this is a good area to buy around 30, and this one. So that's what it happened. As go to smaller time frame, I did mention these two areas, 30 around 3400 and this around this. And you see you had trade from here and you had trade from here. You can see in smaller time frame. See, we had some pips here and then we have some pips from here as well. And if you still have some of you may still have some trades running. Now, what's gonna happen now? Let's see. We have this area. Market still may test this area, the downside, which is 33.95, and that's 15 minutes. And if you go to 1 hour, you can still see that this area still hasn't been tested. So it's possible that around this area market come back, and then we see some sort of movement here to the upside or to the downside break. So always look for the confirmation. And if you want me to make video on confirmations, please do comment and ask in the comment that make a video on confirmations, how to look for confirmation, whether you buy or sell, and any other information you need. And regarding trading, please do mention, and I'll try to make the video. So currently, market has to break this level to the upside for the bullish and this level to the downside to bearish. So this 33, around 33.15 and the 33.80 level, market is most good range in that area for now until we see next movement, this area. And in 4 hour market is still bullish, as you can see clearly. And we can always look for the different time frames. This was very important area, guys. I did mention that. And if you can't trade on this area, that means you do not know the basics of trading. That's very important and easy concept. It's just a matter of managing your risk, which a lot of people cannot do that. And so, as I said, now we'll look for this range area to be broken to the upside or to the downside. Then we can take sell or buy trade. Even from here, we may get a buy as well. But as I said, that this, as I said previously, we have to look for the confirmation in daily as well. So there are multiple confirmations, probabilities we have to look to get a good trade. Right. So I think that's enough for today, and I hope this is useful. And thank you very much, and have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.